Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs. Akihabara, often abbreviated as Akiba, is among the most internationally famous neighborhoods in Tokyo. As you probably already know, it is the place to go for all kinds of geekery. Akiba has the highest concentration of manga, anime merch, and maid cafes you can find in any one place on earth, not even an exaggeration. Also, electronics shops, arcades, and go-karts. Where is Akihabara? Akihabara is in central Tokyo and part of Chiyoda Ward. While Akihabara is the name of a train station and the colloquial name for the neighborhood around it, you won't see it listed in addresses. What is Akihabara like? Akihabara feels like a Tokyo fever dream. It's dense, built up, and crowded, but has added touches like whole blocky buildings in bold primary colors. Advertisements for virtual idols that stretch several stories high. And a clanging soundtrack courtesy of the numerous arcades, pachinko parlors, and discount electronics retailers in the area. What is Akihabara known for? Akihabara is famous as a destination for fans of anime, manga, video games, and idol culture. Before that, it was known as the place to shop for discount electronics. In fact, Akiba's original nickname was Dekigai, meaning electric town. Akiba is one of those Tokyo neighborhoods that is a whole culture unto itself. Beyond the ubiquitous merch shops, the neighborhood is known for gachapon or capsule toy machines, regular-looking vending machines that sell things like bread in a can, and Maid cafes. What's the deal with maid cafes anyway? Maid cafes are cafes where the waitstaff dress in maid outfits. Specifically, those kind of sexy French maid costumes normally seen on Halloween. Maids cute, sexy, demure, or otherwise have long been popular characters in manga and anime. Then somebody had the clever idea to open the first maid cafe, and it became a whole thing. Initially, the cafes were otaku haunts, but now they are popular tourist attractions. We have a whole primer on them here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Have you had the chance to visit Tokyo, Japan? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Is Akihabara a good place to stay? Akihabara is centrally located, with good transportation access to points around the city. There's a pretty good selection of business hotels and capsule hotels in Akiba, and also in nearby neighborhoods like Kanda and Ochanomizu. If you plan on spending a decent amount of time in Akiba, then staying here makes sense. And if you want to have your fill of geek in the sheets too. Don't get any weird ideas and stay at a manga cafe. Believe it or not, they're a good place to turn to if you need a roof over your head. Side note, these establishments aren't Akiba exclusive. You can find them elsewhere in Tokyo. What to see and do in Akihabara? Akiba doesn't have attractions in the conventional sense. It's more of a vibe, and a place to dig deep into the world of anime, manga, gamer, and idol fandom. True fans of all things otaku should skip the mainstream spots and check out Akihabara's hidden gems instead. When is the best time to visit Akihabara? Sundays. This is when Chudori Street, Akiba's main drag, is closed to vehicular traffic in the afternoon, creating what is called in Japanese a Hakosha Tengoku pedestrian heaven. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.